My name is Melissa Wanstreet. Welcome to Starbound Equine Services. We're a full-service dressage farm offering boarding, training, and sales, and we're located in Loxahatchee, Florida. We have a 14-stall barn, a covered arena, round pen, paddock, full-service boarding with grooming, training. We specialize in young horses and horses who are struggling with their training. When I was deciding where I was going to get my building from, I knew I wanted steel because I wanted something that was structurally sound. So the most important things to me were that it was a sturdy building, and I guess I wanted the most bang for my buck, which ended up being Allied. Looking for the building is kind of like looking for a contractor. You have to search around in all sorts of places and dig in all sorts of places. Some people don't call you back. It can be pretty stressful and pretty difficult. I think Allied was one of the easiest companies that I did work with. They got me the information that I needed right away and gave me an excellent price on it. Actually found a way to give me a pretty good discount. I ended up choosing Allied basically because I got the most bang for my buck. It was, I felt like a really good building. I had a friend who has a building from Allied as well, and I like how hers turned out. And the price for what I got as far as hurricane rating and the size of the building was the best with Allied. I would definitely recommend Allied to anybody wanting to get a covered arena.